everyone, so today we will learn how to make a mini terrarium by using a recycled material. So this is my mini terrarium. If you can see it, it's very simple and easy to do, so check out this video. So first of all, we're going to prepare for the materials that we're gonna use for making our homemade or recycle mini terrarium. So I'm using a plastic cup, plastic container that is transparent like this, and then also you're gonna need a lid or cover like this, and with something at the top, like a hose functions for the aeration and circulations of. So this is the container that we'll be going to use as our recycle mini terrarium, and this is the first thing that you must have. And then we're gonna prepare other materials like this. We have stones, driftwood, and some plants, fern, mosses, and etc. So let's start making our terrarium. So before that, you're gonna need chips. I'll be using a Lego ball, and then a perlite for the base of the terrarium, and then for the soil we will use 100% of the peat moss. So I think that's all the materials. So let's begin to put our stones at the base, at the top of the container. Oh my god. So the last thing you're gonna do after you have then set up your mini terrarium, you need to spray. So I'll be going to spray this like this, and then we are done. You're going to put the lids, and then see the performance of our mini terrarium in about a week or a month. Just wait and see.